Hello guys, welcome back. And here is Edifier W200BT, which is a wireless sports Bluetooth headphone, or you can say it's a neckband kind of Bluetooth headphone, which you can use for sports and sports activity and as a also casual use. So here they have used a Qualcomm chipset for calling purpose, and the Bluetooth version is 5.0. So this is the full packaging, and it comes in a different colors. You can see here the feature Bluetooth 5.0 Qualcomm QCC chipset for high quality audio playback, and Edifier Connect app is also available on the Google Store. You can download there and you can customize your music and other functionality. And here they have Qualcomm CVC 8.0 mic, so it's also good for calling purpose. So this is the full packaging. You are going to get some ear tips, some hooks, charging cable and documents. So this is the packaging, and it's a very cheap TWS right now, and the price to performance ratio is very good. That's why I bought this. So this is the packaging. You can see this is our TWS. So this is our TWS, and uh, here is you can see a logo of Edifier. And okay, let's check what else we are getting inside. So inside we have only a charging cable length is good and the quality is also good, but this is not a type C. Some hooks and extra air tips and some document. So I think the price and the performance is very good about this product. That's why I bought this for jogging purpose, and it's doing great. And also this TWS support an application. You scan this, and you can get the more functionality of this TWS, like play, pause, and how much time you want to play and other functionality. First you download this and you will get the idea, and also some equalizer setting there. That's it. So this is our design. The cable is like a neck band. You can see, you just put in your neck, and the material they have used a very good quality. The material is very soft and the quality is very rigid. I will say it's a very tough. And here is a one shiny material they have used for putting the housing of battery and other functionality. It's a kind of shiny material they have used. And here's the Edifier logo, and this is our functionality button, plus minus and play pause. The button is very soft and very clicky. Yeah. And here is a Qualcomm CVC 8.0 mic they have used for calling. The calling is quality is very great. So this is the basically our TWS it will look like. And you can see now the housing of the earbuds. So here is our ear tips, some wings, soft wings, so that it will go inside and it will be a comfort fit, and say securely it will fit inside your ear. This all frame is used from a plastic material, and here is the one joint. I will say the cable quality is very good. It's a very hard, and it's a very thick. The quality is very good of this cable. Now let's talk about the design. Have you seen the design? This is a very budget oriented headphone, so I will not going to complain too much. But if you are a sports person, if you like to listen music while jogging or in the gym, it's also waterproof, water sweat proof, so you can buy this. And now let's talk about the call quality. The call quality is I'll say above average. The calling was very clear, no problem. It's not a very echo or unnatural kind of sound it speaks. The quality is very natural while you're calling. Now let's talk about the music quality. So music quality is, I will say, it's great, not extraordinary. The music, I will say, it's a very boomy, a very bassy, even in 20 or 30% of volume. If you listen this TWS, there's a lot of bass already there, and treble is very balanced. Vocal sometime it is not clear, but for jogging and listening purpose, who love the lots of bass in their music, so they will definitely going to enjoy. The bass is very good. The sub bass is a little bit lacking, voice little bit lacking, treble almost perfect there. So it's a V shaped headphone. I will say it's a signature is V shaped. So anybody who is love listening a lot music with lots of bass, so they can buy this this headphone, neck Bluetooth neckband headphone. So overall, I will rate this product in music quality 7.5 out of 10. Design wise, 7 out of 10. Calling purpose, 7.5 out of 10. Um, and other like a sweat resistant, and Bluetooth connection is 5.0, and also it supports a application, an application to more functionality for this headphone. So overall, I will rate this product 7.5 out of 10. So guys, if you are looking for a neckband headphone, because what happen when we are doing a jogging or any sports activity, many headphone keep coming out. We have to fit again and again, but in this kind of headphone, what happen, this wings give a very secure and very tight fit, so it's never get out very easily. So this is the best for sports and jogging. So thank you guys for watching this video.